We are having a picnic. We've got an apple. I think that's a Honey Crisp. We've got some apple cider donuts that we got yesterday and we ate 3. We've got some chips. We got some peanut butter. And let's see, we got a banana. And my favorite, weenie sausages, the barbecue kind. Some jelly. And T-Bird. Say hey to Marie again, T-Bird.
Hey, Marie.
Tell her you like picnics.
We like the picnic, Marie. You need to be here with us. I wash you out there and throw you in that creek.
Ask her if she's coming next time.
Are you coming next time so I can throw you in that creek and let you swim? You'll swim or drown.
It's not gonna happen. Not gonna happen, bro. Not gonna happen.
Drop that phone and break it.
Yeah, cause my
Thing ain't ready for you. Quit it off.
look, who's doing this? Alright.
I take an ham sandwich. I don't need no peanut butter. I just take an ham sandwich.
You just want a banana sandwich?
Ham sandwich will work for me.
Okay, get your bread, open that bread up. Give me 2 pieces. And you 2 pieces. Your mayo's in there. Hey, where's my 2 pieces? I said give you 2 pieces and me 2 pieces. So I'm going to take your 2 pieces. Since you wouldn't give me none. And I need a knife.
There's your knife.
Thank you, sir.